Hey, I know how it feels when you wake up every morning feeling like you could be doing more, but you're not. When you scroll on your phone, watch other people winning, and wonder quietly, what's wrong with me? Let me tell you something real, something nobody ever said to me when I needed it. You're not lazy. You're just stuck in your comfort zone. And if you don't break out now, it might cost you everything you've been dreaming of. Comfort feels nice until it turns into regret. It's the "I'm okay for now" that turns into "I wasted 5 years." It's the Netflix episode that turns into 6 hours gone. It's "I'll start next week" that becomes "I never started." And you know what's scary? The longer you stay comfortable, the more normal it starts to feel. You stop dreaming big. You stop taking risks. You stop believing in your own potential. You stop seeing the urgency of your life. You're not lazy, you're just comfortable. But comfort, left unchecked, will quietly withdraw your financial dreams from your life. Look, I get it. You're not sitting there doing nothing. You're surviving. You might even be hustling. But deep down, you know you're capable of more than just existing. You feel it every day. You've got big ideas, big goals, a version of yourself you dream about becoming. But you keep postponing that version because comfort says, it's not the right time. Bro, sis, there will never be a perfect time. So what do? How do you break out? 1. Start with small actions that feel uncomfortable. Wake up earlier. Cut that daily social scroll time in half. Put 1,000 naira aside every month, no matter what. Read 10 pages of a money or mindset book every day. 2. Invest in your mind, not just your hustle. Most broke people think the only way out is more work. But truth is, you need better thinking. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, The Psychology of Money, Atomic Habits. These aren't just books. They're maps for escaping your comfort zone. And if you're serious about your future, I've got digital copies of these books for a small price. Cheaper than data you burn on trends. Just check the link in the description. 3. Set deadlines for your dreams. You want to start a business? Pick a launch month. Want to learn a skill? Start this week, not next. You want to break free? Start planning your escape today. If you don't break your comfort zone now, you'll wake up 5 years from now with the same excuses. You'll start seeing people younger than you doing what you should be doing. You'll be stuck, older, bitter, and more frustrated. Not because you couldn't grow, but because you chose comfort instead of courage. And it will hurt. It will hurt watching your potential pass you by. Don't let that happen to you. Not when you've got this chance. Right now, but it's not too late. You're still young, still breathing, still in control of your next chapter. You're not lazy. You just haven't had the push yet. So take this video as your wake-up call. You're not meant to stay stuck. So do this right now. Comment below, "I'm choosing growth." Let it be your first public declaration that you're done being comfortable, that you're stepping into discipline, into purpose, into wealth. Subscribe to this channel because I'm not just here to motivate you. I'm here to walk this road with you. Every week we talk money, mindset, and how to build with nothing. I'm not ahead of you. I'm right beside you. And if you want to go deeper, check the link in the description. Grab Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Atomic Habits, Think and Grow Rich, The Psychology of Money, and more, all in one affordable bundle. Invest in your mind today, and your bank account will thank you later. The world doesn't need a more comfortable version of you. It needs the bold, focused, financially free version. So, let's grow together, one uncomfortable step at a time. I believe in you. Now believe in yourself. Let's build with nothing.